Where's the bunny, Rhonda? Not the one in your mouth, the other bunny. The other bunny. The other bunny. Where's the big bunnies? Woo! Where's the bunny? Where's the bunnies? Where's the bunnies? Where are they? Where's the bunnies? He's out there somewhere. Where's the bunny, Rhonda? What, Rhonda? What, Rhonda? You make a lot of noise for an old lady. Yeah, noisy Rhonda. Noisy Rhonda. Noisy Rhonda. Where's your bunny? Where's the bunny, Rhonda? Where's the bunny, Rhonda? He might be over there. Where's that bunny? Where's Patty? Patty, where are you? Where's Patty? She's down a dark hole. She's gone. Maggie says she looks like she's gone, huh, Maggie? Where did Patty go? Oh my God. That's a regular coyote burrow you got going on here. If that thing caves in, you're gonna be sorry, Patty Cakes. Miss Patty, where are you? Patty! Hey, Patty! She's not coming out. Where did Patty go, huh, Maggie? Where did Patty go? Good Lord.